In this video, I'm going to show you how we handle our social media leads, specifically Facebook, and it's something that you can adopt for yourself. Now, this platform I'm looking at here, or I'm showing on the screen, is a Make.com automation. There are other ways to do this. You can use NA10, you can use Zapier, I think, and you can also use Claude Code to develop something more custom. But for this automation that we built a couple of years ago and still works, we set up some ads in Facebook, and there's a form that people complete if they are interested. So how this works is that the form is completed by our lead or prospect on Facebook. As soon as they click submit, we get a trigger. So the trigger comes in, and then um, this first module gets kicked off, and certain fields are passed in from Facebook. So this is fairly standard. And as soon as we get that, we then call another module, which is the second one here. And this module then goes back into Facebook and retrieves details from that person. So details like the phone number, the email address they provided, their full name, and any other information that will be useful for us. As soon as that comes in, we then have a router here that performs four other different operations. The first is, or one of, I think it does them all at the same time, but the first is this top one. For this one, we use it to update our SendGrid. So we use SendGrid for sending out emails. And within SendGrid, each user or each lead has some information or tags that are attached to them. So one of the tags is we want to know when this lead joined. And so that's a date tag. But the date isn't just okay, we can pull the date from make.com itself and attach it to the user. There's a specific format in which that date has to appear within SendGrid, because we use that to determine which cohort that lead belongs to and which adverts applied or relate to that particular user. So we have the references for the ad that we ran, we have the week, and then we have the tag that we use internally as a business to know when that lead came in. So we use it to figure out which adverts working. So we push them into SendGrid, and once they're in SendGrid, they're now part of our nurturing phase. So they enter the beginning of the sequence that we use to send emails and provide information to the leads. So that whole nurturing thing is a different ball game in and of itself.